Selecting the right stockbroker in the UK is an important decision that can significantly impact your investment outcomes. With a wide range of options available from established financial institutions to modern digital platforms, it's essential to choose a broker that aligns with your investment goals, offers competitive fees, and provides a reliable service. This guide will outline the key factors to consider when choosing a UK stockbroker in 2025, helping you make an informed and confident choice. Number 1. Clarify your investment goals. Before diving in, take a moment to map out what you want to achieve. Are you aiming to invest steadily for the long haul or looking to trade frequently? Are you interested in UK shares only, or do you want exposure to global markets like the US, Europe, or Asia? Will you be using a stocks and shares ISA, a general investment account, or something else? Do you need access to in-depth research tools or educational support to build your confidence? Answering these questions narrows down your broker options to those best suited to your unique investment style. Number 2, understand broker types. Traditional brokers. These are the established players of big financial institutions offering comprehensive services, but often at a premium. Think Barclays Smart Investor or Hargreaves Lansdown. Online and app-based brokers. These digital-first platforms like XTB focus on simplicity and affordability. Number 3, regulation and protection. In the UK, you should only use brokers regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority, or the FCA. You should also look for FSCS protection. This covers up to £85,000 if the broker fails, but not for market losses. Client fund segregation ensures your money is held separately from the brokers. XTB is regulated by the FCA, and your deposits are held in a separate bank account and cannot be used for activities related to the company's operations. Number 4, compare key features, fees and charges. Dealing fees. These can be anything from £0 to £11.95 or more per trade. Platform fees. Annual charges for account maintenance usually range between 0.25% and 0.45%. FX fees. Currency conversion fees apply when buying foreign stocks, and these can add up fast. ISA and SIP fees. Check for any additional charges on tax-efficient accounts. With XTB, you benefit from 0% commission investing up to €100,000 monthly turnover, with just a 0.2% commission beyond that, the minimum £10. A transparent 0.5% currency conversion fee applies. All fees are clearly detailed on our website for your peace of mind. The account types. The General Investment Account, GIA, Stocks and Shares ISA, Self-Invested Personal Pension or SIP, available at select brokers. XTB offers both a General Investment Account and a flexible Stocks and Shares ISA. Investment products. Look for access to a broad range of assets, UK and US shares, ETFs, investment trusts, bonds, mutual funds or CFDs. Fractional shares and dividend reinvestment options can boost flexibility. XTB provides a wide selection of instruments, letting you invest from as little as £10 using fractional shares. Trading platform. A sleek, intuitive interface with charting tools, watch lists, and a reliable mobile app can make all the difference. XTB's proprietary platform, XStation, is designed with clients' needs front and centre. Customer support. Check if support is UK-based and available via phone or live chat. Quick, helpful responses can save you headaches down the line. XTB offers a 24/5 multilingual support and dedicated account managers to guide you. Number 5, tax considerations. Maximise your returns by using UK tax shelters. Stocks and Shares ISA, no capital gains or dividend tax with a £20,000 annual limit for 2025. A SIP provides tax relief on contributions, but funds are only accessible at retirement. Choosing a broker offering these tax-efficient accounts is vital for long-term growth. XTB proudly offers a flexible Stocks and Shares ISA to help you keep more of what you earn. You also earn interest on your uninvested funds while you wait for the perfect investment opportunity. Number 6, other things to watch for. The mobile experience. Apps like XTB lead in user experience. Access to US stocks. Some brokers make it easier than others to invest in companies like Apple. Dividend handling. Do they auto-reinvest dividends or pay them out? Minimum deposit. Some platforms require a minimum £100, others let you start from £1. The best UK stockbroker for you depends on your goals, experience and budget. For beginners, low-cost and intuitive apps may be ideal. For long-term investors, access to a SIP or ISA with solid fund options is key, and for active traders, speed, low FX rates, and research tools matter most. XTB is your one-stop shop, offering a wide range of instruments, a powerful platform, and is regulated by the FCA. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.